Hey everybody! So today we've got kind of a new thing here. We've had trailer hitches for a while, the trailer hitch covers. So we've got like the emoji one there, and we've had a few characters and original designs and that kind of stuff. But we recently got a bunch of dogs. And if you haven't been introduced to the trailer hitch covers before, literally that's what they are. You've got the main brick right here that you shove into the back of any standard trailer hitch. Then you can put a pin in, and then you've got the trailer hitch cover right there. But the dog-themed ones are a lot of fun because the pet stuff is always kind of fun if you're a dog lover, or dog or cat lover. We haven't done cats yet because I'm sorry to cat people, but every cat looks the same. There's not a lot of breeds in there outside of bald and not bald. But anyway, the dogs, we've got, let's see here, I think that's a boxer. Got a boxer right there. This is Dachshund. Dachshund, right there, a little wiener dog. Pit bull, because, and quite frankly, I'm going to imagine, I'm not to stereotype here, but I'm going to bet that of the dogs on this one, probably going to be one of the more popular, you know, people who have trailer hitches. Yeah, you get where I'm going. Anyway, and then husky, and then French bulldog and bulldog and French bulldog. Someone correct me on there, I know nothing about bulldogs. That's how much research we did for this video. But we've got all of the dog-themed trailer hitch covers have come out. And I just wanted to show them for you here too. They're all a standard size, like I say. Plug into the back of your truck or your car if you have a hitch and you haul a lot of stuff with your car. But they're a nifty little way to keep an eye on the people behind you. And just use that empty slot that doesn't generally get utilized on your vehicle. And if you're a pet lover, you can pick your favorite pet. We're going to keep on building these out because there have been a lot of requests. So we're going to try to get every breed of dog. And then yes, we will probably do a couple of cats that are bald and less bald. And then very not bald. That's pretty much the ratio of cats there. So I hope you guys like that. Let us know any sort of other items or any other sort of things you might want to see trailer hitches of. We've created this in conjunction with designers and with our internal design team, so we've got some flexibility there. Let us know what you think down in the comments, and let us know if there's any other products that you'd like us to see and talk about a little bit. Have a great day, everybody.